Now let's talk about today's LeetCode theory questions. Problem. The name of the problem is maximum product of two elements in an array. It is easy type problem. We have given array of integer num. You will choose two different indices I and j of the array. Okay, and return the maximum value of the nums of I minus one product with nums of j minus one. The problem stating is that we have to find the maximum value of product of two numbers. For example, we have given this array. It simply takes the two element 4 and 5, which after taking the two elements, if minus 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 minus 1 is 4. After subtracting it, simply multiply, that is 12. 12 is the maximum value of this nums of I minus 1 multiply with nums of j minus 1. Now let's look at the constraint. Constraint is pretty simple. It's greater than 2 and less than 500. And elements is from 1 to 1000. So let's look at the solution what I have done. Basically, my thought process in this, I have simply uh, find the max value and the second max value and simply minus them and product and simply return. For that, I have declared n the array size max first max value initialized with 0 and the second max value also initialized with 0. And the for storing the index of the first max, which is used to find the second max, simply I have iterated all the elements and check whether if max is less than nums of I, then update the max value and store its index on IDX. Now for finding the second max value, I again iterated to all the elements and check if the current index is not equals to IDX, that is the index of the maximum value, and that if the max to value is less than the current uh, nums of the I value, and also check it should be not the it should be less than the max value, less than or equal to the max value. If satisfy the all the conditions, then we have to update the max to is equals to nums of I. After checking to all the elements, we will find the max one and max two value. Simply, I have subtracted one from both the elements and they are multiplied both the and written the answer. That's all about the today's problem. Now let's talk about time complexity. Time complexity. It will take the big of one, sorry, big of n, and it also takes big of one. So overall total time complexity will be total time complexity will be big of two n, and the space complexity will be near about a constant because we have only used the variable max1, max2, and the IDX. So this is the total one complexity that is big of 2n. The space complexity will be constant. That's all about to get problem. Thank you.